Another day, a different job. So yeah, I don't really appreciate it, but that customer, I just can't say no to him. Every time he's calling me for a favor or something, I just can't say no. He gave me so much crap that I just can't. So let's go there. Today we should work alone. He's not gonna be there, so I'll try to make it as fast as I can, be productive as fast as I can. So 7:45 morning, go over there. We should be there at 8:15 maybe. At that time it's always traffic. Hope everybody's having a wonderful day. The thing that I hate of working in Montreal in the morning, I'm feeling like a sheep. Everybody has to go over there. It costs me like maybe 5 times the amount of gas to go there. Yeah, everybody has to go to Montreal to work. Each day it's the same story. Jam-packed from let's say 7 to 9. Don't try to go and enter in Montreal, seriously. It's always the same. A gorgeous day at least, but yeah. Montreal is beautiful from the other side. A gorgeous church over there. Anyway. Go there maybe. Morning YouTube, another jackpot digger for another video. Today we have a special mission. I'm a demolition guy. There's a friend of mine, he gave me a lot of scrap and I just can't say no to him, so he has like a contract to demolish, like I think it's like a 4.5 apartment, maybe more. Maybe he bought the old block. But so 8 o'clock tomorrow. Hope everybody's having a wonderful day. Keep living the dream the way you're doing. Enjoy life. Life is beautiful. If not, just change your glasses, because seriously, you're not looking at it the right way. Life is beautiful. So have a wonderful day, everyone. I got a bit of scrap to go drop before. Got a dishwasher and those frames that I showed on my last video. So gonna go drop that, get maybe $30, something like that. Maybe 40, hopefully. Gonna go to Canadian Tire after that, go get some goggles, whatever, glasses, protection. Last time I did demolition, I had something in my eyes, so I'm gonna go buy some closed glasses, make sure nothing happened. So probably gonna film a bit of my day today. See you later, folks. Trap. So good. from that part till that one. It's okay, no vignette. But from there to the other side of the street, vignette. The other side of the street, from there to there, vignettes. But from that part to the other one, no vignette. So it's almost Chinese. You need to understand Chinese. Fuck. Hopefully I'm gonna be good. I'm gonna work just there. So already a little pile of scrap for me. So all those walls, all those late, all this has to go to the dump. So my job for today, anyway, for that hour, take off that wall, clean up that brick wall, break down all those, and clean. We want to save the roof, so then just cut it over there. Bring this to the garbage. So, demolition day. we found inside the walls. Kind of neat. We got 3 like that. A little bit more decoration. Anyway, so no scrap today. Demolition. Yeah. So I stripped all that wall to the door. All this has been stripped. Inside of the walls, tried to keep the gyps over here, biggest piece I can, a bit more over there. Yeah, I'm gonna take all those fucking nails off, and after I'm gonna attack that wall. Demolition life. He advanced a lot yesterday, so I just need to. Okay, that one's cleaned up. Probably want to keep those. That one, maybe try to clean it up a bit. So over here, I have to dig two little holes. There, another one, and another one here. Break that shit apart, and after that, was by the front door, so I have to take off that wall, no, the same, that's the same, but I have to take off that wall, all 4 of here, the toilet, all of those. That one is fake tile, so pretty sure it's gonna be fun. I need to take off that wall, break those cabinets, bust a hole like this over here so they are able to work inside of that. That's probably gonna be it. And bring most of those bags down. So let's start working. I've been paid by hour, but I hate so much that job that I'm gonna sprint. Seriously, I'm just feeling like it to be done as fast as possible. So I'm not gonna take my time at all. So hopefully he didn't took my glasses the other day. Hey, by the way, did somebody have a trick to get those non-foggy? I don't know, I just thought about it yesterday. I'm gonna try spitting in it like I do with the diving mask. We'll see if it works, but anyway. Work. So I'm gonna bring all those bags down there for Friday to be ready to drop to the dump. So start working it. Something weird. Look at that. That's a closet, right? It's a room, closet. What they did. Now we're on the other side. Only place I got water. It's true, he told me to rip that one off too, and that one too. I forgot it goes. Just wanted to show you that kind of space. I'm pretty sure it's not a on basement law. So yeah, open up that wall. I'm gonna clean up that mess. Fill up more garbage bag. This is like maybe 2 trips to the dump. So I'm gonna clean up my mess a bit over here, maybe 2 bags, and call it for the day. I took off all those étagères, anyway, all those boards. I did all the toilet, all the walls gone. Hey, I did a mess. I don't know if you see it, but just over there, there's a valve for the toilet or the sink or whatever, but there's a valve. Just turn that and water's up. So when I was shoveling my mess, damn, that shit turned on. It was like a fontaine over here. I thought I broke something, but I just turned the switch on. So anyway, that done. Toilet all done. All the walls are done. I cleaned it up my mess over here a bit. Shovel it that hole's done. I started up that wall, but I stopped because I'm pretty sure he didn't expected that. All the wall. Anyway, so I stopped, wait for the boss approbation, but it's not looking good under that. And over here, open up here, I open up there, open up here too. So this is gonna be another trip to the dump. So I'm gonna do downstairs and call it for the day. 9 to 4, so 7-hour job. I did all that in 7 hours. Demolition life. What I like the most about demolition is those tips. Copper, I don't see if you can with the paint and all, but all this is tip. That's my salary. Good morning. I'm editing right now my video for the week. I expect to finish this next week. I was thinking of maybe doing like a full montage of start to beginning, but I'm having hard time seriously filming every trip that I did. I did like 4 trips to the dump and I forgot it totally just to film it with the rush and all. So I'm not a full YouTuber at all. I'm gonna improve myself with the time, but I'm still in a rush to get that demolition done and go back to my normal life as scrapper. But right now I'm just doing too much to just say no to it. By the way, I had a shootout to do to recycle dude. That man is a YouTuber. He's he's so bust up everything to do to scrap, and he makes reselling too on eBay. Go check this channel, and he has many talents. He sings pretty well. That intro of that recycle dude. Every time I watch it, I have a smile in my face. So anyway, go check his channel. Seriously, he's an awesome dude, working hard, scrapper. He busts the computer parts. He do e-waste and other kind of scraps. So check that channel up. Hope everybody's having a wonderful day. Peace. Sorry if I didn't film that much, but I show you what I have. So scrap till you die, tabarnak.
Bust open the walls just to get the wiring. Took the hot water tank and leftover appliances, aluminum siding, and had to come back cause the furnace so big it wouldn't fit in the back. Now it's copper by the pound, wired by the inch. Got a check on the first and it's gone by the 5th. Scrap or die, nigga.